Hello friends, welcome back to SoftGPT, the channel where we simplify AI tools and show you how to build real functional projects without writing a single line of code. Imagine creating an e-commerce app with just a single prompt. Simply write prompt and let the AI do the rest. Today, I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step process of building a second-hand marketplace app using OnSpace, something similar to Amazon, but focused entirely on selling used items. And the best part is everything is created through natural language prompts, not programming. After login, you can see a clean and professional dashboard. Let's start with generating the app interface using AI. I clicked on the prompt area and typed in a clear instruction that tells OnSpace exactly what I want built. As soon as I submitted this prompt, OnSpace automatically generated the entire app layout. On the preview screen, I could see the All tab showing my uploaded items, perfectly arranged with images, titles, and prices. The Cart tab was also ready, allowing users to add items they liked. This is where the power of OnSpace becomes clear. It builds the UI, connects the database, and sets up the navigation in seconds. Next, I focused on the AI feature inside the app. The third tab, named AI Helper, is where users can talk to the integrated chatbot. But I didn't want this to be a regular chatbot. I wanted it to behave like a customer service representative, polite, helpful, and consistent. To set this up, I gave OnSpace a second instruction that defines how the AI should respond. With this prompt, OnSpace created a full AI customer support system. It understood the rules, the tone, and the policies. It also made sure the assistant would respond in whatever language the user speaks, English, Urdu, or anything else. To show how it works, I opened the AI Helper tab and started interacting with it. But instead of using the exact template wording, I changed the phrasing so the audience could see the AI's ability to understand natural conversation. I typed, "Will you drop this item at my doorstep if I live inside the city?" The AI instantly responded with the correct delivery rule. Then I asked, "What if I don't like the product after buying it? Can I bring it back?" It replied with the return policy, exactly as defined earlier. Finally, I asked, "When can I come to pick up my order during weekdays?" It answered with the detailed pickup schedule. This demonstration shows how powerful the AI helper becomes when combined with clear instructions. It behaves like a real support agent, understands different sentence structures, and always replies politely. OnSpace has another feature. You can attach files or images of different items. For this demo, I will upload 4 items and give a prompt. Attach these items in my app. AI automatically attach items and their prices and description. By the end of this process, I had a complete second-hand marketplace app with product listings, a working cart, and an AI customer service assistant that communicates naturally. All of this was built through simple prompts. No coding, no designing, no configuration. Create user system. Now I'm going to use this simple new-built e-commerce project to briefly demonstrate how to add sign-up, sign-in feature in your project with Spaces and how to use the database to store and manage your data. Now, let's start. First, just tell the AI to create a sign-up, sign-in feature with the off code as the off method. It's done already. Let's test it with email address. It worked? Now, let's check if the user registration information is recorded in the database. As you can see, it is already done. Product management. Now, let's try the data storage power. Let's tell the AI to store the product information in the database because I already added some product information in my first query. So I can directly tell the AI to store them. It's done. Let's check its work. We could see AI had created a new table for product information in my database. The price is correct and everything is already stored here. If you need to add some more product here, you can simply click the Add tab and do it. Payment setup. Simply I type prompt and let the AI do the rest. After a short wait, you can see a payment integration is added. For more details on payment integration feature, you can see this video. Publish. Once your app is ready, OnSpace makes it super easy to publish it. You can download the full project code. The publish feature lets you push your app straight to the App Store, all in just a few clicks. Support Center. OnSpace is that it's not just a tool, it's a whole learning ecosystem. They've got practical tutorials that walk you through building custom features, and their YouTube channel is regularly updated with new videos to keep you moving forward. Plus, if you ever get stuck, their customer support is actually solid. And that's how easily you can create a fully functional marketplace app using OnSpace. This is a complete walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.